Thanks for your interest in Next Level Tableau Lite. Let me give you a quick overview of the website. Here you're looking at the landing page. And within the landing page, you have three key playlists: Tableau Core Concepts, Essentials, and Fundamentals. There's options to upgrade to a full Next Level Tableau membership if you'd like to do that later on. And then there's also access to datasets and workbooks to help you practice. There have been a few questions about what is actually covered. So let me go into each of these playlists and show you. So in the Tableau Core Concepts, we're focusing on the fundamentals. So we have things like what is Tableau overall? How does the architecture work? And then important concepts like blue and green and measure names and measure values. So there's all these videos here, table calculation overview, working with dates, etc. Now that's the core concepts. Within the essentials, this picks up from the core concepts. This is where you get into actually building some things. So there's a couple videos on building charts, and then working with containers, building dashboards, intro to table calcs and level of detail expressions, and then working with set and parameter actions. And then the third playlist you get access to is Tableau Fundamentals. And here we see working with logic functions and date functions and things like that. I hope that's giving you the overview that you were looking for, and I look forward to having you as a member.